Tell him what you're doing.
I'm eating.
Yeah.
Let's get some more engine. Yes. Open your mouth.
And what is she eating, Elizabeth?
Banana.
Oh, yummy. Can you scoop it from his bib too? Do you see how it's dripping down there? There you go. Deliciousness. Yeah. He likes it. Do you like being a big sister?
It's more done. You have to do some.
Oh, I have to do some now?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll take a picture of you.
Okay, sounds good.
I'll get my camera.
Do you want to use my camera?
Yeah.
Okay, it's on video. No?
Yes.
Okay. Now, do you see where it's pointing?